Hello friends, I'm back with a new video, how to get 95% marks in final examination. We will understand this in 10 simple steps. The first step is dream or a goal. Why you want to get 95% marks? What is one thing that is driving you crazy to get 95% marks? Is it because of your parents that you want to get 95% marks? Or you want to get admission in a good college? Believe me friends, until you have your own goal, you won't be able to achieve it. You need to have a non-negotiated goal to achieve 95% marks. I give weightage 50% to this particular point only, that is dream and goal. I am giving you a very simple exercise to do. Just check it out. After you see this video, for next every 1 hour, just try to tell yourself that I will get 95% marks in final examination. Every 1 hour you need to tell it to yourself and continue this for next 2 to 3 days. You will find that you have really developed a non-negotiated goal within you and you will start working on it. The second point is self-discipline. Self-discipline means I do what I say. For example, if you have decided to study for 3 hours in a day, then you are going to study come what may. You will not give excuse that because of XYZ reason I was not able to study. The third point is association. Friends, it is said that you are the average of 5 people you are closely associated with. So check your association with whom you are hanging around. You need to be with people who have similar goals like you. The fourth point is distraction. Social media is one of the biggest distraction in today's world. We need to distance ourselves from social media for some time. I don't mean that you should not be seeing it, but yes, you need to restrict your time. The next point is timetable. By timetable I mean that you should know that at 2 p.m. what you will be doing, at 5 p.m., at 7 p.m., at 8 p.m. and at 9 p.m. what you will be doing. If you have a fixed timetable, then your subconscious mind will automatically absorb that and you will start working on it. The next point is organize your syllabus. Now organize your syllabus means that you need to have a bigger picture as of when I am going to complete my syllabus. Let me give you an example. Let's take you have a subject called business studies and it has 12 chapters. Example, you take 4 days to complete one chapter. That means you are going to take 48 days to complete the entire business studies syllabus. Assuming that today is 1st of October, that means on 4th of October you will be completing your first chapter, by 8th October second chapter, by 12th October third chapter and so on. So if somebody asks you that by 29th of October how much of your syllabus has been completed, you will be able to tell that person by seeing that chart that by 29th of October I will be completing this much of my syllabus. In the similar fashion, make such chart for every subject. Once you have made those charts, stick on the walls in your room and see that chart every day. You need to follow that chart come what may. It is something very important for you to follow that chart. The next point is learn and write. We have been taught from our childhood that if you learn and write things, you are never going to forget things. Also, it is going to help you to check your grammatical mistakes. Once you have completed your entire syllabus, try to solve question papers of last 5 to 7 years. This is going to tell you your current standing and areas where you need to work upon. Also, the next point is that take tests. For example, if you have a group of 3-4 friends, make question paper and exchange it with your friends and give tests for each other. Try to set the toughest paper, because when you try to set the question paper, your mind starts working and you cover also those points which you might have skipped. The last point is yoga and meditate. Guys, don't take too much of stress of getting 95% marks in examination. It is just an output. You just need to check the input that yes, you are following the process. if you do regular yoga and meditation, I am sure you will be able to achieve it. Friends, I am 100% sure that if you apply the above tips, it is going to help you to get 95% marks in your examination. This is Abhishek Damani signing out until we meet again.